Wow!
Hi, I'm Bruce Keene with Southern Cross Communications, and this is our Voice over IP user tutorial series. Today, we will be going over the basics of using a Grandstream GRP-2614 carrier-grade telephone on voice over IP platforms powered by Sangoma's FreePBX server. In this video, we will cover how to use the basic features of the Grandstream telephone. We will go over your dialing options, also known as the dial plan, how to work with your voicemail, and finally, how to obtain assistance with your system. This is the Grandstream GRP-2614 carrier-grade telephone. It features full HD voice audio and a large variety of functions. At the top of the phone, you'll find the main display screen. On the left side are 4 call appearance keys, allowing your phone to handle up to 4 calls at a time. Below the display, there is a row of 4 soft feature keys. The function of these keys change as you use your phone. For example, if you are not on a call, there are options such as redial and history. If you're on a call, one soft key will give you the option to transfer. Labels at the bottom of the main display indicate what you can do at any given time. The message indicator provides a visual alert for voicemail messages. To the right of the main display, there are 3 fixed feature buttons. The top one is for accessing your voice mailbox. The middle gives you access to the local phone book, sort of a speed dial setup. And the third is a hold key. Be aware that if you use this key, only you will be able to retrieve the call. In the center of the phone is your control pad. This is a set of fixed function keys that give you additional control over your calls. The transfer key allows you to send an active caller to another user. Conference allows you to create multi-party phone calls. Mute disables the microphone on the handset, speakerphone, or headset. The icon will light red if mute is active. The headset key will switch the call from the handset or the speakerphone to a headset that is wired to the headset jack on the back of the phone. If the phone is idle, the volume slider will adjust the phone's ring volume. If you're on a call, it will adjust the volume at which you hear the person on the other end. The speaker button allows you to switch between handset or headset and the speakerphone. This is useful if you're on a call and would like to allow someone in the room to participate in the call. The dial key allows the phone to know you are finished dialing a number and can put the call through. You will use the navigation keys in several places, but most commonly to scroll through call history or the phone book. At the bottom of the phone, just to the right of the number pad, is the DSS BLF panel. This is a set of programmable buttons that are most often used as call park keys and busy lamp field or BLF keys. But depending on your company's requirements, they may also be used for day-night buttons, one-touch speed dial buttons, paging buttons, or a variety of other features. Parking a call allows you to place a call on hold in a manner that allows other users to retrieve the call. If no one picks up the call after a predetermined amount of time, it will ring back to your phone as a reminder. To park a call, just press the desired park key. The light on the button will turn red on all phones in the office to signal to others that a call is parked there, and the caller will hear on-hold music. Anyone may retrieve by pressing the corresponding key on their telephone. You may transfer a call by pressing the transfer key, followed by the BLF key of the intended destination. While the phone is ringing, the key will flash red. If the person answers the call, the light will turn a solid red. If you wish to retrieve a call ringing on another phone, simply press the flashing key and the call will return to your phone. If a BLF button is solid green, it means that the user is available to take calls. If it is solid red, it means that the person is on a call. If it's flashing red, it indicates that the phone is ringing. If Emily here answers the call, the button will turn red to let you know she is on the phone. The toggle below the DSS panel allows the user to switch between pages on the DSS BLF panel. Placing phone calls is very intuitive. Dialing a 3 or a 4-digit number is automatically recognized as an internal call. A 10 or 11-digit number is recognized as an external call, Calls beginning with 011 are treated as international, and so on. The system is also configured in programming to recognize 411, 311, 211, and 911 services and route accordingly. In most cases, for Southern Cross Communications customers, dialing 711 will connect you directly to our office. Feature access codes are common for most telephone systems, usually for infrequently used features. You can prevent calls from coming to your extension by dialing *76 followed by the dial key to turn the Do Not Disturb feature on. Dialing *76 again will turn it back off. Find Me, Follow Me can be set up by your system administrator. It allows calls to your phone to ring a mobile phone in addition to your desk phone, either simultaneously or after a delay. Once it is set up, it can be turned on or off by dialing *21. Now, when you dial *96, the system will ask you for the extension to forward calls to. You can either enter an internal extension number or you can enter a 10-digit external number followed by the pound key. If you need to retrieve a call ringing on another phone, dial ** followed by the extension number. You can also pick up any ringing phone anywhere on the system by dialing *8. Sometimes you need to send a caller directly to voicemail without ringing the phone. To do this, press Transfer * the destination extension number and the blind transfer soft key. Off-hook intercom sends you straight to the speakerphone of the intended recipient. The phone will beep once to alert the user of your call, but then will immediately connect you. Dial *80 before dialing the extension number or pressing the BLF key. There are additional features you can use. Here are some of the more useful and interesting codes. The system offers two ways to transfer calls: supervised and blind. If you are screening calls, you will want to use the supervised method. Press the transfer button while on the call, which places it on hold. You can then dial the intended destination followed by the dial key, or press their BLF key. Once they answer, tell them who's calling. If the destination doesn't want to take the call, wait until they disconnect, and then you can press the flashing call appearance key or press the resume soft key. Otherwise, just hang up and the call will be connected. If the call doesn't need to be screened, just press the transfer key, followed by the extension number or BLF key of the destination user. Then complete the call using the blind transfer soft key. To initiate a conference call, press the conference button. The caller is placed on hold and you can dial your second party, followed by the dial key. When you press the conference button again, it brings you and your other two parties together. If you wish to add another party, start over at step 1. If for any reason you wish to speak with someone privately or drop one of the parties, you simply press the hold key. This will place everyone in the conference on their own individual call appearance buttons, and you can select each one individually. To get into the voicemail system, either dial *97 and the dial button, or you can just press the envelope button. The system may ask you for your password. If it's the first time you are calling into your voicemail, that code will be the same as your extension number. Enter this code and press #. The system will tell you how many messages you have, and you can press 1 to begin listening to them. While you are listening to a message, you have the following options. 5 replays the current message, 7 deletes it, and then plays the next one. 8 gives you the ability to forward the message to another user. 9 saves it. 3 gives you additional advanced options. Here you can press 1 to record a reply if the caller is from another extension on your system. 3 to listen to date, time, and caller ID. 5 to record a message for another user. Star and pound allow you to rewind and fast forward through the message by 5-second increments. If you press 0 from the main voicemail menu, you can configure various options in your mailbox. Press 1 to record a greeting for when you don't answer your phone. 2 records a greeting used when you are busy on another call. By pressing 3, you can change your name prompt. This is simply a recording of your first and last name and is used in several places in the system. 4 allows you to create and activate a temporary greeting. Recording an out-of-office greeting here will let you disable it when you return to the office without having to re-record your everyday greetings. 5 allows you to change your PIN number. We recommend that you keep this password relatively complicated. Best way to do that is pick a word and use the letters on your keypad. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call or email. We may be reached by dialing 281-924-2135 or via email at service@southerncrossphones.com. Many of our systems are also programmed to allow you to dial 711 to reach us. This concludes the tutorial for basic operation of the FreePBX-based systems with GRP-2614 telephones. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, give us a like, and please be sure to subscribe, as we will be making additional helpful videos. I'm Bruce Keene from Southern Cross Communications, and we believe that every business deserves phones that say,
Wow.